Okay, we're going to record a sound that we're going to add to our Klikin website. I want to record myself saying using sound, because there's one of the buttons on the main page that's got that text by it. So in order to record it, I click on the red button here and then I say using sound and I click stop. So let's listen to that, and then I say using sound. Okay, there's two things wrong with that. There's a little click noise at the end here, and also I said something before I said using sound. I said, and then I say using sound, and then I say. So there are two things I could do here. I could either just record the track again, or I could try and edit it so that it will work. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of the bit where I say and then I say. So I'm going to play it again, and then I say using sound. So this point here is where I finish saying and then I say using sound. So I'm going to click there and drag back, and this is the bit that I don't want highlighted now. So I go to edit, remove audio, and click on cut. Let's see what that sounds like. Using sound. So that's got rid of and then I say, and now I just need to get rid of the click at the beginning here, and I'm also going to get rid of that long silence after the audio is finished. So I go to edit, remove audio, cut. And if I do that and realise that I didn't want to delete it, I can always go back and say edit, undo cut, because of course I'm on a computer. Now I want to save this as an audio file so I can put it on the Klikin website. So if I go to File, I have the option in Audacity of saving it as a project. I don't want to do that because an Audacity project will only open in Audacity, and we want to get it to work on websites and stuff like that. So we need to export it to a different format. So I click on Export, and it's suggesting I export it as an MP3 file. Audacity can export as lots of different formats, but MP3 is good for on the web. So I'm going to call that file using sound, and it's going to save it on the desktop. So we should see it pop up on the screen in a minute. But before it'll save it, it asks us whether we want to add any meta tags, like the artist name or the name of the album or the year that it was made, and I'm not going to bother with any of those. I'm just going to click on OK. And there it's appeared on the desktop, using sound, ready for me to add to my website. So I can close Audacity now. I don't need to save the Audacity project because I've already got the audio file that I need.